period. If y'all want to see how I achieved this look, then stay tuned.
The guy, I hope that this ain't no fairy tale. I wanna lick on your skin, cause that shit be tasting like caramel. Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. Ha, you looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blow up my...
Okay, y'all, so we just gonna get straight to the point into the video. Period. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, then you might as well subscribe, simply because me and my cat babies are lit. And we lit because we really like that. Period. And if you subscribe, you can most definitely be lit too. And that's just that. Okay, so I first want to say, y'all, this is a twist out. Well, not a twist out, a braid out. I had some cornrows in my hair, and I just took them out. Like, I really should have recorded it, but I didn't. But anyways, we finna get straight into this video. Yeah. So, y'all, this joint cute. Period. Okay, so I'm still trying to decide if I want to do a zigzag part or either a straight part. Okay, we're gonna try the zigzag. And if the zigzagging is not acting right, then we're most definitely just gonna do the side part. Okay, first let me part my hair straight across. Y'all, and I'm trying to do it as straight as possible. But we're gonna see how this gonna work. Okay. Oh, I haven't done this style in so freaking long. Okay, I'm just gonna put, I feel like I need some more hair. Y'all, do not mind if y'all see, you know, something that look like edge control, cause I had got another edge control and I low-key wanted to try it out. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay. Let me see how this finna look, because I do not want too much in the back, if that makes sense. Okay, so we finna just put all this in, I think. How that look, y'all? That part looks straight. Okay, y'all, so I'm finna put the back in the ponytail just so I can get it out the way. And for anybody that wants to know my hair type, of course, this is not my true hair type. Simply because, or my like curl pattern, because I had cornrows in, but my hair type is a 4A, 4B. I don't think my hair is a 4B, 4C. I kind of questioned it, but my curls are nowhere near that. Okay. Alright, y'all, so I'm finna part it. Okay, so y'all have not done a zigzag part in a while, so I thought I was gonna be a little rusty. Okay, come through. All right, y'all, so I'm about to put this part just in a bun just to get it out. Okay, that clearly ain't no bun. A bun just to get it out the way. I should have had my clips, but it's okay. Okay. Y'all, I'm proud of my little part. Okay, so what I'm gonna be using to slick my hair, y'all, I got some edge booster. I really want to see what the hype is about, because I hear this don't work for some people, but then I hear that it flakes up. I hope it don't flake up. All right, so I got my Eco Styler. Y'all already know. Natural people need a big jar, cause especially if you heavy-handed. I'm a little heavy-handed, so I'm just gonna brush up my hair. Let me make sure I put a twist on the arm. Okay, so I'm trying to remember. Do I need to put my gel first or my edge control first? Okay, I'm gonna put my edge control first. Yeah, my edge control first. Y'all can do it y'all way. This is the way I'm going to do it, because I'm scared this junk gonna flake up. And I don't too much want that to happen to me, because no, we don't want no flakes, periods. Hopefully I won't have that issue. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my gel. All right, y'all, so now I'm gonna wrap these bad boys up. I kind of want my joints to look kind of like, you know, a little messy but cute. Bobby pins. I might not need them. All right, we're gonna figure out how to wrap them. Okay, there we go.
Sometimes you might not need bobby pins, but I'm gonna use them. Periods.
Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna do my edges. Obviously, I need a whole new edge brush. Let me use my new edge brush. Alright, so we're gonna get some edge control on. I'm just gonna put it down. Put it on there, you know, you dig. And I'm not gonna be doing too much talking and explaining when I do my edges. If y'all want a tutorial on that, then baby girl, let me know. Okay, so I'm gonna get a little bit of gel, not too much. It seems like I always have bad luck with edge control because my junk be wanting to flake up, and we not doing that. You dig? Gonna do is I'm gonna tie my edges down for maybe like 10, 15 minutes. Okay, y'all, so I decided why my hair is, I was about to say hitting, why my hair is sitting, sitting, doing its thing, period. So I'm gonna take the back out and do my magic. I may not have to do nothing to the back, and I don't think I'm gonna have to do nothing to it because, baby girl, period. Okay, hair, my hair acting right today. Okay, we're gonna, period. Ooh, like, y'all, tell them stop playing with me. Period. Tell me what I am gonna do. I don't think my hair need the most shine at it. Maybe just a little bit. Y'all, I hate shrinkage. I hate it. So, this stuff is gold. It's called the Olive Oil Glossing Hair Polisher. It's for frizz control and shine. Y'all see it? Y'all should better get this from a beauty supply store. Maybe even Walmart. I don't know if they got this in CVS or like Walgreens, those type of stores. So I put like a little quarter size in my hand, and I'm just gonna apply it. I don't want to, do too much. We're just gonna apply it. I ain't trying to make my hair frizzy. Then I'm gonna get another quarter size amount. And we're gonna rub it through on that side. Cause Why not? Plus, you gotta get it in your hair evenly. I probably should have put some on these, but it's okay. Never mind. I think I am gonna put a little bit on there, just a little bit, not too much, just to kind of like control the frizz. We don't want it too frizzy. You get what I'm saying? All right, y'all. We finna take it off, cause yeah. We just had to tie it down for a couple seconds. Do y'all see that? Let me see how edge booster working. It was such an easy hairstyle. It came out so cute. Oh my goodness. Y'all already know how to get some type of thumbnails in there. But if you watch the end of this video, you the best. Period. If you're not subscribed to my channel, then what you doing? Baby girl, what are you doing? Cause me and my K-babies are lit. And we lit cause we really like that. Period. And if you subscribe, then you can most definitely be lit too. But thanks you guys so much for watching. Make sure you turn on that notification bell just so you can see when I'm posting, then you can just automatically click on that video. Period. Stay lifted, stay encouraged, and make sure you leave comments down below on what y'all want to see next, cause I'm excited. Period. But love you, K-babies.
Load up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. I miss the way that you look in my eyes, man. I swear I'm getting back with you, girl. Keep on talking about my